What's up, Pirate Maniacs? Hillbilly Pyros here up on Boom Ridge. We're going to try out the 32 shot rack in the middle and see if it throws some tubes again. Check it out, I got that glow in the dark blue strip. That'll look cool when it gets fully charged. It glows blue. Got the Pyro Addict sticker represented next to some bloody handprints. Got another one here. I spray lacquered them on there so the weather shouldn't take them off. They should stay for a while. Alright, I got 2 pink flamingo shells here in the center. Let's go ahead and hit this off and see if we get any jump. Then we're going to do some rockets. Some rockets. Nice. Now, do we get any tube jumping? No, the new design works. Hell yeah. Firing number 2. Pink flamingo shells aren't bad, man. Now we kicked up a little bit. Yeah, a little. I think that one just wasn't seated correctly. I don't think it's really jumping.
They got little nails sticking out of the side the bottom.
Yeah, I think that was what was holding that one. With that bottom skirt set there, this top skirt being this high, the support here, I don't see how they can jump anymore. I just want to make sure that, you know, fully loaded and fused, it don't have one jump. That'd be a bad thing. I'll start with the painkiller rockets. We'll start with these and we'll work our way up to the freight trains. Man, I wish they could make fireworks with less trash. Even just these little plastic tips add up after a while, you know. I'll go ahead and get all of it ready and just lay it on my little module shelf here I built into this rack. Slash support structure. You know, you gotta get creative with the scrap. Repurposing some scraps, so that's always good. Alright. Yeah, this one actually comes with a little launcher, but it's pretty flimsy. Alright. You gotta be careful with these. We've had more than one go bad on the launch pad. Not bad. We've had several that blow up the payload on the launch pad and then the rocket engine comes for you. Not bad. Nice little new station here, dude. Oh, we got somebody in the distance firing. Now I gotta dig into the box of food. You know what? Can't let that go unanswered. Damn. Caught that one on film.
I kind of figured it would happen that way.
Yeah. Just make sure that that motor don't ignite like it did that one time.
Something was by my door here, man, so I'm not really sure.
So this is what happened last time, and about now we thought we were safe, and then the motor ignited and come right at us. Damn. Them rockets are scary. We need to fuse these up and get far away. We'll set these off from remote in mass. No, it's been a pretty common problem with these. Last one of these. Yeah, I'm relieved to see those take off. Crap. On case of the crud. Let me go down here on my little toadstool I made here. See what we have. You did. One of these. Alright, freight train. Now for the train. These are more reliable. Been a lot more reliable. Yeah, I probably shouldn't do that, but yeah, far they have said that. So far I've been. Pop up. Good. All those, but it's better quality. Yeah. Much quality. It's not blue on that one. Nice blue one. Hear that right? Talking good about it. Yeah. Put my damn pockets I'm talking about. You don't look. Please. It's rude. Sometimes you can feel it. Some just feel it. Or the whole rack. Your light path. Nice. Erratic, but not. Damn, missed that one. I think I'm in the camera. There's a red last two. Two. Alright. Alright. Last. Let's do. Oh, it's crazy zoomed in. Wrong. Crazy zoom. I hate that's what's camera, man. It's gonna have to go. Just. Sorry about people. Last two haven't even been able to sing because it was in too far. Probably. We'll just get set. Probably want to zoom in from that one. My bad. I was running. Frog it. Hell yeah. Nice. Now, jump shot, yeah. Let's go a little here, christened a little, so to speak. Lily pad. Ow, fuse flash. Let it be known, bitches. Different one. Pretty sweet though. Alright. There for more to come. We got some concrete to tow and rack. Start building. I think we're at the problem with this. It's jumping out some more. We've got pretty much taken care of this one. But should be pretty go. Arrow. Good to always something. That's why you gotta take. That's up 32 feet together and jumps out. I don't want that to be bad. Yeah, so far I think it's looking pretty sweet. Yeah, let's see if I can get it right under. Sweet. Big ass dog, man. What's wrong with that rack? Another pretty cool, man. Hillbilly.